So hello everyone. Now we will see how we can share the data from factory to the controllers. I mean how we can inject a common data in the different controllers. So we have already discussed how to write the syntax for the different controllers. There's module variable controller 1, controller 2. Similarly, you can write it like this if you want to create a factory. Now we are creating a factory. So here how we will create a factory. Like it is data factory, you can name it data factory, and you can write you have to write the factory also in the same way which you are writing the controller. This is the one way of declaring the different controller, different factory or services. You can do it in this way also. No need to repeat this variable name dot controller 1, remove these semicolons, put the semicolon in the last. So now you have controller 1, controller 2 and the factory. So this is just I defined this factory, so I need to define this in the function also. I'm not passing anything in the factory, it is just returning JSON message to me. This is the message my factory will be returning. Now I will inject this factory to these controllers, and I can assign this data. Whatever I'm getting from the factory, I can assign that data to the scope of these controllers. But before that, I need to inject this factory separately, which syntax we have seen. You have to write it like this. This is the best way of writing the code, also of injecting the things individually so that it is more readable. And you can also come to know that in the controller first you have injected scope and factory. Similarly, in the second controller name dot dollar inject, you have injected scope and data factory. Now this data factory which is returning this message has been injected to the controller 1 and controller 2. Let's see. Controller plus data message. Let's see if there is an issue. This is the factory declaration. This is returning the message. Data factory I'm injecting here. Data factory. This is the message. Data factory. Then I can access this message from data.message in the HTML. Data.message. Let's see if we are getting any error. Factory data provider, something inject in provider first controller. So let's see what is this issue. In the app.js, this is my first controller. I injected this first scope and then data factory. Scope and data factory. Data factory is returning this message, so I directly assign it here. Okay, this column is missing here. Okay, now it's working. You see, I got this message. Here I created the controller. So the same message, because I passed the common data factory to the controller 1 and controller 2, and I'm able to get it from data.message in this HTML. So that's all for now. We will see the routing in the next tutorial. Thank you everyone.